Move, will ya? Okay, Olivia, it's your turn. Move, Wesley, and let her do it. Look at me and do it.
I will.
Wesley, stop. Gavin, do the exotic dance. Woo! Woo! Gavin, that looks good. Y'all stop. Y'all aren't. Hey! Dance, guys.
Ow! I don't know. And you. Mom, I can dance without moving.
Do your neck the way you do. Move, Wesley. Do it, Olivia. Do your neck. Now do it the other way. Wesley, I'm not going to let you play if you're going to do that. Okay, y'all back up. Gavin, go out there and dance.
No.
If you're going to get that close.